بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
The Muslim should divide his day into 4 portions, they say. And 1 portion is for his livelihood. And 1 portion is for his family. And 1 portion is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And 1 portion is for himself or herself. So there has to be, and these portions is not 3/3, and then when I have time and I am tired and barely I can do my salah. This needs to be divided, and then my work has to be inside it for Allah. Taking care of my children and my family and my extended family is in it is also for Allah. So these all turn to be act of worship, and the time free for myself to exactly relax, to energize myself. This also has to be not necessarily only in an act of worship, but for sure should not be in an act of haram, disobedience to Allah.